maybe until we get a logical conclusion, the Chicago State University certificates of President Bola Tinubu might not be ending soon, as the presidential candidate of the People's Democratic Party in the February 25th general election, presidential election, Atiku Abubakar, has said or raised concern over the academic record of President Bola Tinubu. Well, Atiku claimed President Tinubu has something to hide over his academic records with the Chicago State University. You, of course, recall that the court in Illinois gave an order that the Chicago State University should release those documents to Atiku Abubakar in 2 days. But then Tinubu's lawyers filed an emergency appeal, you know, that they should delay that they should delay, releasing those documents till Monday. So the whole thing continues tomorrow, when the court will be sitting again on this matter. Well, speaking through his media aide, Paul Ibe, Atiku expressed hope that Nigerians will not have a heart attack with what Tinubu is hiding. Well, for me, like I've said, that Atiku knows something. There is something Atiku knows, and that is why he's pressing hard. You see that he's really not concerned about any other thing. He knows something. There is something he knows, and that's why he's pressing. He's pressing so, this hard. He made the remark in reaction to a motion filed by Tinubu's challenging the Northern District of Illinois' order directing the Chicago State University to release his academic records within 2 days. While the ruling of the court followed a case instituted by Atiku, who is challenging the victory of Tinubu in the presidential poll held on February 25th. Well, but in a motion filed by Tinubu's lawyer, he had argued that a magistrate should only report and recommend to the district judge in such matters and not to make a final order for immediate compliance. I know said that go teach us. Reacting, Ibe said Atiku stands on Tinubu's records, academic records, will soon be known. And like I said, Atiku knows something. He knows there is something he knows and is trying to bring out. Now, a statement by Ibe reads, it should be now obvious, even to the blind, that Tinubu is hiding something in his record at the Chicago State University and even elsewhere. Well, I do hope whatever it may be, it will not be of a scope that will give Nigerians a heart attack. Nigerians will soon see the true position of Atiku on the records of Tinubu at CSU. It is just a matter of time. You see, there have been several reactions to the emergency filing of a delayed order. To delay the order of the Illinois judge who had ordered that the Chicago State University to release the documents of Tinubu to Atiku. Well, Tinubu and Atiku resumes legal battle in the US on Monday. And so we will be bringing you updates, and that's what you can trust us for. The legal team of President Bola Tinubu and the presidential candidate of the People's Democratic Party, Atiku Abubakar, will resume a legal battle over the president's Chicago academic records in a United States court on Monday. A U.S. District Judge, Nancy Maldonado, had on Tuesday agreed to stay an order directing Chicago State University to make Tinubu's academic documents available to Atiku's legal team. And that is also with a number of them being under oath. And that is to say that what we are delivering or what we are giving to Atiku are the correct documents and not compromised. Well, the hearing came up late Thursday night after the president's lawyer filed an emergency motion seeking a delay in the implementation of the self-effectuating order directing the CSU to comply with Atiku's subpoena till Monday. Well, we'll see what happens on Monday. Maybe I don't know, but then let's see what happens on Monday. Atiku is currently challenging the victory of the former Lagos State governor, now president of Nigeria, and his recent affirmation on election petition court in Nigeria. Earlier, a magistrate had on Tuesday ordered Tinubu's alma matters to provide all recent or relevant and non-privileged documents to the applicant Atiku within 2 days, which I mentioned earlier. But then Tinubu went ahead to file an emergency, and people have come out to say, if you don't have anything to say, I mean, we've had several reactions from different places. Ahead of the resumption of the case on Monday, however, Atiku's media advisor Paul Ibe told Saturday Punch, credit to Saturday Punch, on Friday that the president should not be hiding anything and that the camp would wait for the court process while whatever is being hidden will be unfolded. It's only a matter of time. You can't hide things for too long. When the Punch actually contacted, the coordinator of Tinubu's presidential Lego team, Babatunde Ogala, on the team's preparation ahead of Monday, he said the team members were ready for Atiku's next move. And he said, whatever may be the former vice president's next plan, members of the presidential team were also not asleep. We keep watching. Well, meanwhile, the New Nigeria's People's Party had called on the president to assent to the release of his academic credentials to douse the growing tension and suspicion of his critics. Obi of the Labour Party, in a related development, had his team had told the president needed to present his academic record to prove his critics wrong. That's all that we are saying he should do. Just prove your critics wrong. I mean, regardless of his opposition to Atiku's application, Magistrate Gilbert ordered the CSU to release all relevant academic record of the president to his political opponent. They know that there is something. There must be something to it. I mean, the president is a public property, so to speak. The president belongs to Nigeria. It's only unfortunate the way things are done in Africa, so to speak. He's our property. We don't wish him any ill. We don't wish him bad. We don't wish him anything bad because he belongs to Nigeria. So why he should now be treated as a private property is what I still really don't understand. Whatever he owns should be made known. Should be made known. In any case, we'll all be watching. We will not sleep. We'll see how things unfold. In the meantime, please feel free to drop a comment, make them simple and simple. Let me know what your opinions are. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to share our videos. Others, God bless you. Bye bye.